Okay, so I managed to remove this clip. It comes backwards and comes in through these two inner loops. So basically it comes backwards like this and clips into these two inner loops, and now it's easy to pull the remainder of this hose out. And yeah, pretty much I think this is now ready for a new hose. The only thing I'm not sure about is if this is also damaged. The basically the coolant reservoir, this holder thing. So I'm gonna get a new coolant reservoir and compare this. And in the meantime, this is that damaged part of the coolant hose that was fixed with this JB weld thing, which I'm gonna replace the new coolant hose. And I also want to keep these clips carefully because I need them to install the new coolant overflow hose. So I'm gonna be back comparing this with the new coolant reservoir and check if so. I purchased a new one on Amazon by this company called Dorman, and I think it's an exact match. It's a third-party coolant reservoir that's much less expensive. The only thing is I'm not sure if it also includes the sensor, which is supposed to be part of the, or it's supposed to be in the coolant reservoir. So let's take a look at what it looks like. And it looks like it does have the clip, also the coolant reservoir. It looks pretty much the same. The only thing is to really replace this. I would have to remove a lot of these hoses. I think there's an electrical connector for the sensor itself. I don't know where that goes. Maybe it goes in here. And then there's this hose here, which I don't know what this hole is here, but basically this is the new coolant reservoir. I can hear what sounds like a sensor inside. And then basically it looks like this is the new coolant reservoir. You see how this one is not damaged, but this one is damaged. So I would have to replace this coolant reservoir, I would have to clamp at least, well, there's an electrical connector that also goes in like somewhere here or something. I don't know if that's the sensor or what, but there's at least one hose and this maybe one sensor. You can see down here there is this one. It might be the, yeah, it might be the sensor. And then there's this one hose that I would have to somehow block, and I'll have to block it and clamp it and make sure it doesn't it looks like this hose is also breaking, or maybe not. Okay, so anyway, I think I'll also have to replace this coolant reservoir because this one is broken and eventually it's gonna maybe leak from here, and this is the one that's good.